So another important thing you'll need to be able to do for this online course is to submit your paper assignments. You'll notice on the left side menu, there's going to be a tab called Submit Paper Assignments here. So the types of assignments that you're going to be submitting include worksheets, projects, and the exam scratch papers. You'll also notice there's a link here for your survey to be submitted. Now with the worksheets, you can find those on the left side menu with a tab called Worksheets. Projects are going to have their own tab right here. Project instructions and grading rubrics are also provided there. And then exam scratch papers. So all of these items are found on the left side menu, and then right below that, the link to actually submit those types of paper assignments. So if it's a worksheet you need to submit, first click on Worksheet, and here are all of the worksheets that you'll need for all 4 chapters that are covered in this course. Keep in mind, not every single section is going to have a worksheet. Just some of them have worksheets. So the attachment is here for the worksheet. So you can see there's not too many questions on that first worksheet. But here it is. So once you print that, fill in your answers, scan it, save it as PDF, then go to Submit Paper Assignments. And since it's a worksheet, I'm going to click on Submit Worksheet Folder. And there's the match. Submit the 1.1-1.2 Blackboard worksheet. The due date will be provided here for you, and the point value. Browse your computer to find wherever you saved that worksheet, attach it, and then if you need to write any questions or comments to me, there's a text box, so feel free to write something there in case you need to, and then click the Submit button. Since I'm not submitting anything, I'll just cancel that command. I'll go back and take a look at the project instructions now. There are only 4 chapters, so there are 4 projects. The Chapter 1 project instructions are provided here as attachments, and the grading rubric is also provided here for your convenience. If I go back to look at the Chapter 2 project, it looks just a little different. There's the project instruction sheet and the grading rubric provided. That way you always will know ahead of time how to earn full points for your project. There are also videos included. If I click on the project instruction sheet, at the very end there is a direct link to YouTube to watch the video to get further instruction in case you need that. Because you want to do your best on these projects. I'm trying to set you up for success for every one of these projects. So I highly recommend you watch the video so you get a heads up on exactly what to do, how to do your best work, and put your best effort forth with these projects. An exam scratch paper link is here. So the first exam is not going to have any requirement for you to submit scratch paper because I have an essay box on the actual test where you'll be writing in your answer just with your keyboard. So there's no need for that first test to submit anything. But exam 2, 3, and 4, the attachment here is providing you with formulas that you'll need for that test, and then just some space to work out the problems. If you don't feel there's enough room on these sheets provided for you, it's okay to use your own notebook paper. But keep in mind the formula sheets, you might want to print that out ahead of time, and feel free to use that formula sheet for your test. So I hope you'll find this video helpful to know how to find the papers needed to submit and then where to submit the different types of paper assignments.